Hi everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, your go-to guide for all things startups and entrepreneurship. Today's topic is all about turning ideas into income. Money-making ideas, the ultimate startup guide. Whether you're just starting out or looking for your next big venture, I'm here to share practical, actionable ideas that can help you start making money right away. Let's dive into these proven strategies and spark your journey to success. Number 1, offer a skill-based service. The first idea is offering a skill-based service. Think about what you're good at: writing, graphic design, coding, photography, social media management. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can help you turn those skills into cash. Services are one of the fastest ways to start earning because there's little to no upfront investment. Pro tip: specialize in a niche. For example, instead of just being a graphic designer, position yourself as an e-commerce branding specialist. The more specific your offering, the more attractive you'll be to potential clients. 2, create and sell digital products. The second idea, create and sell digital products. These could be ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photos. Digital products are fantastic because they're scalable. You create them once and sell them over and over. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. For instance, if you're a fitness expert, you could create a workout plan or meal prep guide. If you're a designer, sell customizable templates for resumes, business cards, or social media graphics. 3, launch an e-commerce store. Next up, launch an e-commerce store. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Instagram shops, starting an online store has never been easier. You can sell physical products, dropship items, or even curate unique collections. The key here is to identify trends or niches. Products like eco-friendly goods, personalized items, or tech gadgets are currently in high demand. And remember, great visuals and strong branding can make your store stand out from the competition. 4, monetize your content. Finally, let's talk about monetizing content. If you love creating videos, writing blogs, or hosting podcasts, you can turn your passion into profit. Platforms like YouTube, Patreon, and Substack allow you to earn from ads, sponsorships, or direct subscriptions. For example, if you're passionate about tech, start a YouTube channel reviewing gadgets. Or if you love cooking, create a blog with easy-to-follow recipes and partner with brands for sponsorships. The secret is consistency and building a loyal audience who trusts your expertise. To recap, here are 4 money-making ideas to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. 1, offer a skill-based service. 2, create and sell digital products. 3, launch an e-commerce store. 4, monetize your content. The key is to take action. Start small, learn as you go, and stay persistent. Success comes to those who show up every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and comment below with your favorite idea or your next big plan. Let's turn those ideas into income.